Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play old Angry Birds games on PC. First, install a reliable emulator or find an official PC installer. Then verify game integrity and configure controls for keyboard and mouse. Next, adjust resolution and frame rate to match the original experience and enable sound syncing. Finally, test different versions to pick the one you like best and back up game data before making major changes. To find old Angry Birds games, search preservation sites, developer legacy pages, and trustworthy community repositories first. Prioritize installer files with checksums or sign publishers and avoid unknown executables that trigger warnings. Use web archives to retrieve original web-based releases and skim community guides for exact build names. Keep a clean folder structure for different versions and label backups with dates. This makes testing. For setup, map controls to mimic the original touch interface or mouse input and test sensitivity in a short practice level. Match resolution and scaling to preserve pixel art and avoid stretched UI elements, and enable VSync or set a frame rate cap to stabilize physics. Use save states sparingly and prefer game-native save files to keep achievements intact. Finally, document any tweaks so you can replicate the setup on another PC quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.